Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about Thunkable, so where we can get started from Thunkable. So first of all, what is mainly Thunkable? So we'll go here at our search engine. I'll tell you what is Thunkable. So we'll search thunkable.com. So the link will be in description. So when we'll come to this page, so I didn't told you what is Thunkable for. So Thunkable is a platform where you can build your own apps, and Thunkable is used by coding. So you can do coding wherever necessary. We don't need to use the HTML or any language. So you can use Thunkable at mobile also, not necessary where it is Android or iPhone. You can view on both. So you can there are projects that are available on Thunkable. You can view them and remix them. There's a gallery of Thunkable. You can get started with that. So there's a community they can help live chat and help you in problems. So to get started, click this sign up. It load, and then sign up with Google or Apple or email. So for now I'll sign up with Google, and then I'll select any account. So for now I'm selecting this account. So it will say that who are you, a student, a parent, a teacher, a developer, professional, enthusiast, or someone else. So for now I click I'm a developer, or you can click any of those. So if you want to kill and someone else, or you're a professional builder, or you're a developer. So for now I'll click the developer. So after that it will say welcome to Thunkable. It will tell about Thunkable. So after that it will say that it is a mobile app developer. So you can just skip this basic stuff, or I am here to tell you. So click this, or you can read it also. So click this, and then got it. So the first screen you will get this is the first screen you will get. So you can get this screen, and after you sign up. So now the next time I do this, so I'll log in and I'm here. So I'll delete this. Okay, I'm here. So to create the first app, I told you that there is a gallery. So this is the gallery, or you can go here also, public gallery. So guess means these are the apps that are made by the people all over the year. And if you add also, you make an app, for example, so it can come here also. So let's start. So enter your project name. So I'll put it test, and it is not necessary that you put an category, but for now I put it like it's entertainment or something. Okay, that's done. So you can select it public or private, but private is only for the Thunkable Pro users, and to upgrade you have to pay. So I'll show you afterwards. So for now we'll stay public, and when you go when you create your project, so it can be available here. It will be available here. This is the public gallery. Okay, so test and create. It will be creating your this. So it will open a video. Look, this is one. Stop it. So close it. So move this in, or if you want to do the tutorials, you can view them here. So move it in, and let's start. So as I told you, there are two parts, design and blocks. I told you there is no coding needed, so go here and you can get blocks here. Okay, so let's start. So the first app we'll be building today is multi-screen app. Means you can change the background of that app. So let's start. So first of all, I'll tell you what are these all. So these are the components. This is the area where you can see the components, and this is the area where you can see that what means the button. So what will the button name, and means the color, text color, background color of the button, and here you can delete it. So let's start. So first we'll add a button. We'll add 3 buttons. And here was the 3rd one. Yes. Then we'll change the text. This one, let's say green, blue, and this one orange. So you change the names, and you can do like stuff. For example, you can go here, font bold, italic, raised, and stuff. But I'm doing just simple. So this background color you can also change, like I put yellow, so it will go yellow. So for now I put like, what was it, blue, but let it just be color. So after this you can see like you have these buttons. Okay, so to make your thing simple, you can go here and put green, the same way for the others. Orange. Okay, so this is one screen, like this is one screen. Then blocks. Okay, so designing part is finished for now, and then it blocks. So this is the buttons we designed here, and this is the screen that we are working on. So first of all, we'll grab them. When green button click, you can select also long click, touch up, touch down. So for now, click. Blue button, click, and orange button, okay, and this one, click. So why I took, what are these? This is the blocks. Like in HTML, on brackets, on other languages you do coding. So here the Thunkable platform makes it easy for us to make the apps in an easier way. So what will the button do, or what will be the app do when these buttons are clicked? So when green click, go to screen, and from first 1, 2, 3, 4th, select the fourth one, put it here, duplicate it, then again duplicate it, because there are 3 and we need 3 them. So place them. Okay, so when green button click, do from screen 1, set background color. You can select for now background color 2. We can choose the color, so green, so it should be green. And when blue click, screen 1, set background color to blue, like this. And the same for orange, set background color to orange, like here. So Yahoo, you build your first app. You can preview it here. Just wait. This is your mobile. Green. Look, the background color change. is. So you can view this like green we clicked, blue and orange. The color you set, and you can edit it also. So edit view, so you are here. So in blocks part, in design part, you can view you can set as many buttons as you want. So if there are more buttons than the screen, then go to screen, go down, add this part crew, scrollable. So for today this is it, and thank you, and make sure you subscribe the channel. And this was the first app, so there will be more apps. Then this main tutorial part is login app, so you'll be able to make a login app like you do in websites and other apps. You can make a login means screen, and you'll get a password confirmation and reset password and everything. And that will be inshallah starting 2 or 3 tutorials after. So inshallah for today it's over, and thank you and Allah Hafiz. So at the end of the video I would like to say that go to the website of for detailed course, go to the website of utech.com. The link will be provided in the description, and the team is this one, and these are the best 3 developers from Pakistan, and they are ready to teach you. So thank you, and finally Allah Hafiz.